If you don't learn this one skill before 2026 hits, you'll be broke. Harsh? Maybe. But I'm not here to sugarcoat it. I'm here to tell you the truth, because 2026 is going to be the biggest wealth divide we've ever seen. One group of people will make more money in a year that most people will make in a decade. And the other group will be left wondering why they can't even afford a day off. So what's the difference between the two? Well, it's not luck, it's not followers, it's a single skill. One that school systems never taught you and never will. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what it is, why it's exploding right now, and how to start using it this week to change your life. But before we get into that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Let's be real, the system is failing ordinary people. Inflation's through the roof, taxes keep rising, and AI is replacing jobs. And housing is now so unaffordable, even full-time professionals are renting rooms instead of homes. Most people are working harder than they ever have before for less and less. They're told to save money, get a stable job, but the system they're saving into is completely broken. Their income is capped, but their expenses aren't. And their stability depends on someone else's business staying afloat. You've probably noticed it too. The people who used to feel safe in the middle class are now terrified of slipping. And if you don't build a new income stream in 2026, that fear becomes reality. But here's the thing most people miss. There's one type of skill that thrives in chaos. A skill that doesn't care about recessions, governments, or job markets. I'll show you what that is in a moment, but first, you need to understand why it's so powerful. Money doesn't disappear in a crisis, it just moves. During every major economic shift, wealth transfers from the slow to the fast, from the fearful to the prepared. And in 2026, that transfer will accelerate faster than ever because of AI, automation, and decentralized online business models. So if you want to make real money, you don't chase trends, you position yourself where the money is moving. And right now, it's moving online, specifically into performance-based income. That means you get paid for results, not time. Affiliate marketers, high-ticket closers, and digital consultants are earning commissions that used to take a corporate salary to match, but not anymore. And the truth is, you don't need a product, you don't need a degree, and you don't need a big following to get started. You just need the skill to connect people with the right solutions and get paid when that connection turns into a sale. Now, I promise to reveal the skill that makes all of this possible, so let me break it down for you now. The skill is digital selling, specifically mastering how to communicate value online. Not sleazy sales tactics, not pushy DMs, it's about understanding people, their pain, their goals, and their psychology, and using words, videos, and systems to move them from interested to invested. Now, every successful online income stream, affiliate marketing, coaching, digital products, is built on this one foundation: the ability to sell without sounding like you're actually selling. Think about it. Companies will always pay people who can generate revenue. In fact, in 2026, more brands than ever before will be offering affiliate commissions. You can literally earn $500, $1,000, even $5K per sale, just by mastering the right conversation flow. And what makes it so powerful is that it doesn't rely on trends, it can't be replaced by AI, and it works from anywhere, whether you're in London, Lisbon, or on a beach in Monaco. So how do you actually get started? Well, here's the 3-step roadmap I give all of my students. Step 1 is to pick a proven offer. You don't need to reinvent the wheel here, just promote a product that's already selling. Step 2 is to build a simple funnel. A well-executed 3-page funnel is all you need. The first page is your opt-in for your freebie, the second page is your bridge page to build trust, and then the offer page. This is the product page, so it's already built for you. And the third step is to master the psychology. Learn how to lead conversations that make people feel understood rather than pressured. That's how beginners start earning high-ticket commissions without spending thousands on ads or spending months building up a brand. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll tell you exactly where to get my free guide that breaks down all 3 steps in detail so everything is super simple and easy to follow. Now, I've seen people go from zero to closing their first $1,000 sale within 30 days. Not because they were special or they got lucky, but because they learned to communicate value. One of my students was a warehouse worker, another was a nurse, and both learned this system. And now they both earn more online than they ever did in their jobs. The difference wasn't background, it was skill. The ability to turn conversations into commissions. So here's the reality of the situation. Most people will watch this video and they'll keep scrolling. A few, maybe you, will take this as a wake-up call that it's meant to be. And if that's you, and you're ready to learn the exact skill that creates freedom in 2026 and beyond, then start here. Click the link in the description, grab a free copy of my affiliate starter pack. It includes my script for closing your first 1K sale, my DM frameworks, and the funnel blueprint that makes all of this work. Because one high ticket sale can replace a week of low ticket hustle. And if you master this skill before 2026, you won't just survive what's coming, you'll profit from it.